Do you ever wonder how people make those animated videos using AI? Are you interested in making them for yourself as well? If your answer is yes, then this video is for you, because we're going to cover every aspect of it, from writing the video script to creating a complete animated video. This is how you make 3D animated stories for free with AI. Whether it's for an Instagram video, YouTube content, or even a college project, everyone is using AI-generated videos these days. And you should be doing it too if you want to make easy money from views. The best part? It's completely free, and it doesn't take much time or even a creative mind to make one. Don't have stories of your own? No problem. AI can create thousands for you. Let's get started with the tutorial. First up, for any video, you'll need a story. And yes, we'll use AI for that too. Head over to ChatGPT and ask it to write a specific story. Need prompts to generate AI videos for each scene as well? It can do that. Here's a pro tip to make the step even better. Use GPT-4. You might be wondering, but GPT-4 is paid. How is it part of a free tutorial? Well, if you log in using an account, you'll get around 10 prompts of GPT-4 for free. That's 10 different stories you can create using OpenAI's latest model, free. Once you've entered your prompt, ChatGPT will generate multiple scenes for you, along with the prompts you'll give to the AI responsible for generating the video. But wait, before we get into that, let's make the voices for our characters. For this, the best tool is AWz&x AI. They offer hundreds of natural-sounding voices. However, it's not entirely free. So here's what to do instead. Head over to TTS Maker. This AI tool provides a wide range of languages, natural-sounding voices, and accents. Simply select your preferred language, browse the available voices, and choose the one you like best. Next, go back to ChatGPT and regenerate your story. This time, ask it to remove the prompts and labels, leaving you with just the story text. Copy this text and paste it into TTS Maker. Enter the CAPTCHA code, then click Convert to Speech. In just a few seconds, you'll have your audio ready to download. Now comes the fun part, creating the video. For this, we'll use Hyper AI. What's Hyper AI? It's a new AI model that can create mind-blowing 3D animations from text, or even still images. Want a realistic anime-style video? Hyper AI can do that too. And the best part, it's completely free and unlimited. To make a video, go back to ChatGPT, scroll to the section where it generated the story with prompts. Copy one of the prompts, then head over to Hyper. Click Create Video with Text, paste your prompt, and manually select the video duration and aspect ratio. Here's a key tip. When specifying the animation style, make sure to ask for a child-friendly animation, like Disney-style animation. If you skip this step, the AI might generate a more realistic style video, which may not match the tone of your story. Once you've configured these settings, click Generate. After a few minutes, you'll see a video based on your prompt. Notice how beautifully the AI animates the video. While it's not perfect, it's impressive for a tool in its early stages. Download your video and repeat these steps for the remaining prompts to generate the rest of your scenes. Just remember to always include 3D animation and use the same animation style for every scene to keep things consistent. You'll need to be consistent because the AI is still in its early stages. Be very specific when describing what you want in the video. What does that mean? Specify the genders of your characters along with any other descriptions that are important. Now, ChatGPT isn't perfect either. You might need to play around with the prompts until you get the result you want. It's all about trial and error. After repeating the process until your story is complete, you'll have all your generated content. Next, it's time to add audio to your video, and for that, you'll use Canva. To create talking animations, log into Canva and search for Lalamoo in the Apps section. Click Upload Video, select your generated video, and then click Upload Audio. After uploading, click Generate Lip Sync Video, and you'll have a smoothly synced video for your character talking. Once all your video clips are ready, it's time to compile and edit them. For this, you'll use CapCut. Start by uploading your audio file first. This will act as your guiding template, showing where to place each video clip. To make your video more engaging, include filler scenes. What kind of filler scenes? Perhaps scenery that matches the setting of your characters. Just make sure it uses the same animation style as the rest of your video. Add these filler scenes in CapCut, and your video will be much more enjoyable to watch. Want to enhance the visuals even more? Use video effects from CapCut. Try a starry effect or a painting effect. You can search for anything that fits your story's vibe and apply it. But wait, is something still missing? Background music. You'll need copyright-free music to act as white noise for your animation. Head over to YouTube Studio and open the audio library. You'll find thousands of free and safe options to use. Pick something that matches your story and download it. Back in CapCut, add this audio file and drag the slider to match your video's length. Don't forget to lower the volume so it doesn't overwhelm your viewers. You can easily adjust this in CapCut. Once you've completed all these steps, click on Export Video and voila! You now have your animated story ready in no time. You can upload it to any platform you like.
On a warm Saturday afternoon, the neighborhood came alive with the cheerful echoes of laughter. A group of children had gathered at the community playground, their faces glowing with enthusiasm, their eyes alight with the thrill of competition. This was no ordinary day, it was match day.
So, what animations will you create using this free method? If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.